Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to manage push notifications in the Picsart app. If you're tired of receiving too many alerts and want to customize your notification settings, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Once it loads, look at the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings to open the app's configuration options. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Tap on it to open the Notification Preferences. Here, you will see three categories of notifications: your posts, follows, and mentions. From Picsart, select any one of these categories to view the types of notifications it includes. You can then turn off any notifications you do not want to receive. Finally, repeat this process for the other categories if you want to further customize your notification preferences. This way, you can ensure that you only get the alerts that are important to you and avoid unnecessary distractions while using the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,